Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your currency on the Uber app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then scroll down and underneath Preferred Currency, click on Set Preferred Currency. So this is where you could actually go ahead and change it to US dollars or always pay in the local currency and then click on Confirm. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your currency on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.